Alright, so this is the product we're using today. It's the mechanic's choice. Not compatible with antifreeze. Not following instructions can result in severe engine damage. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I got here, and Vladimir. Hi Vladimir, say hi.
Hi.
He always wants to say hi. Thermagasket is a product that claims to fix head gaskets. Now, I've tried different kind of head gasket things before, and even sometimes just thinking about buying this and trying this seems stupid in my mind. I'm not going to tell you. He said it seems stupid. I'm not going to tell you right now if it worked. You're going to have to watch. Thermagasket is some stuff that claims to fix your head gasket without taking it apart and doing expensive mechanical repairs. Does Thermagasket work? I'm not going to tell you that at the beginning of the video. I'm going to tell you at the end, because I'm not even supposed to know yet while I'm making this intro. But either I'm going to be pissed off because I wasted a bunch of money, or happy because it worked. So here we go. We're going to go through it, do this whole process. I think it's important to do it the way they say it, because they're the ones that are making the product. So here we go. We're going to go through this whole thing and try this Thermagasket out. I don't know. You might want to fast forward through parts of it, because it's just us doing the process. I mean, and basically, all you do on this stuff is drain your radiator, flush your radiator. You got to change your oil and your oil filter if the oil's been compromised. And then you put this stuff in it, put some water in it, start the car up, run it up and down the road, or run it at 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs for like 20-30 minutes. And you do that a few times, actually. So that's the process we're going to do. We'll see what happened. Beautiful Tahoe. I keep calling it a Blazer, but it is a Blazer. When I first got this car, I was super stoked. 104,000 miles, one owner, super clean, great color, nice interior. Ran it around the block, let it sit there for a maximum of 10 minutes while I got the PT Cruiser out and tried to get it started, which I've now gotten a wreck with and totaled. But anyways, check that out, other video I made yesterday. This car ran around the block, sat for about 10 minutes, overheated and died. I wasn't even ready for it to overheat. I didn't have no clue it would overheat. It looked all good, drove all good, but just overheated while I was working on two other cars. So we're going to do the Thermagasket, and like, it's a good little car. I hope it works. Alright, so this is the product we're using today. It's the mechanic's choice. Not compatible with antifreeze. Not following instructions can result in severe engine damage. Avoid eye and skin contact. First aid, flush eyes, don't swallow, all that kind of stuff. Okay, this car, when I started it up, it's a nice car actually. It's got 104 or 105 or 106. I don't know, 104 on a 97, 96. Pretty close to last year of this body style. I think it's a 97, I forget. Honda Accord. Little 2.0 VTEC type motor. So, we're going to try this stuff out on it. Okay, we got a new SuperTech oil filter. Got us a gallon of Pennzoil. And going to flush the radiator. And then put the oil in. Go for it. Okay, this thing is good and flushed out. And we're going to go on to the next step. And we've actually flushed this thing out. Rich has been putting this hose in here for about 4 minutes. Make sure that every last bit is out. That's kind of how it looks. So not very good looking coolant. Huh?
There's no thermostat in there. It's on the bottom. Oh, great. Yeah, that's not the thermostat housing. Every car in the whole world I've ever worked on.
Okay, well, thermostat's somewhere else.
It's on the bottom hose.
We're gonna get that out. That's fun.
Yeah,
Okay, he's got the thermostat out. We got our Thermagasket in a new sealed bag. Brand new stuff going in here. And
water.
that's water.
Okay. It says that half a bottle of part A and half a bottle of part B. Double check.
What are you doing, Vlad?
Checking water.
You checking the water out?
About half a bottle of A and half a bottle of B. Put directly in the radiator or surge tank. We don't have a surge tank, so. So, we're about to the top of this line right here. So, metal shaving stuff.
You'd think half a bottle. If they're saying to do that in a normal one, it'd be plenty with this itty bitty Honda motor.
I think half a bottle. Or was it to this line?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's half a bottle.
Half a bottle part A. Bottle part B. Speak. So we're sitting about, again, to the line. Must be the fill line.
That's interesting looking stuff. Like that half bottle. Yeah.
So let's top it off with water. And then immediately run the engine 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs if it's not able to take it out on the road. So, alright. Well, while we're warming it up, I'll move some stuff. Let's immediately get it going. So, take her out.
Said at 3,000 RPM, so I'm trying to keep it right around 3,000.
What do we got? 5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes between
25
25 to 3,000. Huh? We got the temperature gauge removed, but it's not overheating. What time is it?
206.
2:06. So we can go in about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
There it is. It's been about 17 minutes. Not overheating. So we'll see what happens when we get this stuff out and get it back together. Kind of interesting. We shall see. Okay, it said to slowly remove the radiator cap and top it off with water again. It's the most dangerous part.
Hot.
Okay, so it's been ran for 5 more minutes. So he drained everything out and then flushed it and ran, put it back in water, of course, and then ran it for 5 more minutes at 2,000 to 3,000 RPM. And it's not overheating. We don't seem to have a head gasket problem, and it seems like it's fixed. So we'll see. I mean, it's ran for a total of about 25 minutes at about 2,000 to 3,000 RPM and hasn't overheated. So that definitely says something. All kinds of cars, all kinds of stuff. Make sure and subscribe. I just got 2 Crown Vics in, very nice. One has 50,000 miles. But all kinds of new trucks and cars and stuff coming up. And the Thermagasket seems to have fixed our Honda Accord issues. Pretty cool. These are great little Hondas. I've done a lot of them back in the days. I used to sell a ton of them. But as far as we know, this stuff worked. It's been a month now. And start this car up, drive it all around, do everything with it. It's working. It's 100% working. When I picked it up at the auction, I would start this car up. drive it around the block, let it set for 5 minutes, 8 minutes, overheated right where it set. Boiling over, car died. It overheated so bad. Now, just sits there and idles under the half mark. Crazy. That's the deal. For me, Thermagasket worked. And I'm going to tell you right now, I think that flushing the antifreeze, flush. You can't have no antifreeze in there, or it's going to cause a lubricant, and your metals aren't going to heat up. And like, I guess that's what this stuff does. It finds the hot spot in the motor, and these metals and chemical reaction and bonding and all this kind of crap, it all fixes it. It worked. I'm a fan. I'm actually going to try this on my Bentley. Why not? So that's that. Check out some other videos. I just made one where I almost died, got in a big wreck, my car's totaled. Got all kinds of videos on here. And I haven't made a lot in a month, but I'll be making a lot more because I'm feeling better after the wreck. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Subscribe, like, comment.